important. Batteries that will totally power me through the next 45 days.
Oh, here's a measuring tool that I'm going to measure for just right, perfect fit. Hearing tubes, they're thin tubes, mind you, so this is going to make this hearing aid so much unlike my old hearing aids, which were so uncomfortable. Finally, the domes. These domes are wonderful, a variety of shapes. And now I'm downloading the Lexi app. There, I've got it. Better hearing at my fingertips. Literally, it was that simple. And I get to do it right from my own phone. I'm going to try a video